All right, so I'm currently at work, and this is something that always bugs me that I just can't believe has been implemented on Lightburn. But then looking at getting a CNC and all the major software lacks it, and it's just so simple and implemented on this Lightburn that I can't believe people like Shapeoko and Altmill and Aspire, Vectric, don't have it in theirs. And yeah, mind you, this is just the Shapeoko here, the carbide create. But I think that they're missing a major part that they could really implement for cheap on their machines just as a software implementation. And to give you guys an idea, if I come in here to Lightburn and I go to laser tools, right? I can go to calibrate camera lens, okay? Now, obviously this wouldn't work because, well, I'm on this, but if I do standard lens and grab my HD webcam, right, now obviously that's gonna be pointing, well, it's gonna be pointing at me, right? So that just wouldn't work, but you can do calibration patterns, and we'll just do circles, right? And we come in here, and it has just this most simple, like, hey, we're going to calibrate how far away it is and let you know, okay? But then if we go back, and we'll get out of this here, go back to laser tools, we could do calibrate camera alignment. And it asks, hey, is it over the work area in a fixed position, or is it here on the tool head? If we click tool head, it lets you do grid lines where it will actually go through and engrave a small pattern or offset. Now, something like this, and you can do frame, right? Obviously, there's nothing gonna pop up, but the same idea where you can go through and just have a, what you would do on this guy, this is a big pattern, 48 by 48. It would take some time, but if you just had some wasteboard in there, like MDF, and you decided to, you could do a light spray paint, like a gray or a black, and then have the camera mounted to the end of that CNC just for the initial calibration, right, of the original wasteboard. Then it could take pictures at intervals, like come here, picture, and do one picture every foot or whatever it has to do. But then it could combine it all, and then you would have an overlay, and you would know exactly where to put material and clamp it down or what have you. But you could do that with everything.